Alrighty, we're back yet again with another Jasmy update. Shout out to the Jasmy family. I know I've been seeing your guys' comments over the course of the last few days. Come on, Crypto ZX, we want to hear about Jasmy. And like I said, it's really hard to, do all these updates at once, but I'll try my best. I promise you. In order for you guys to really show me the power of the Jasmy community, I want you guys to smash that like button and hit that red subscribe button. And of course, comment down below. This shows me that you guys are interested, and I'll try my absolute best to bring out more of these updates. But as far as the broader market is concerned, I'm sure you guys need no introduction at this point. I'm sure everyone is, keeping a track of the crypto markets. It's exciting times. Everyone is refreshing their portfolios every single time. Everyone's refreshing crypto projects because, it's definitely some exciting time right now within the space. And we did see a market flush over the course of the last 48 hours, but market has picked up yesterday, and that overall momentum is still carrying on. As far as Jasmy is concerned, it's up 3.3% with the price currently sitting at 2.53 cents. Up 1.8% in Bitcoin comparative as well, down 0.7% in ETH comparative. ETH is actually on the move right now, which is a reason why you're seeing that happening. Market cap is at about $1.2 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at 212.2 million. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So, starting off, you guys know it's not a Crypto ZX update unless we discuss Bitcoin dominance. You guys can see Bitcoin dominance is showing us some things that we haven't seen for quite some time. And what I'm trying to refer to is, the dominance is continuing to pull down despite us seeing actually some volatility within the price of Bitcoin. And in return, you're still not seeing the dominance index picking up, which is really interesting. So is this correlation with the Ethereum move right now that we're seeing? Are people potentially seeing that Ethereum is about to hit an all-time high and we're going to see an altcoin season occurring? Those are some good things to be talking about right now. But with that said, if I think we're able to close the $96,000 into support tomorrow and start heading towards the all-time high, I still have this gut feeling that the dominance starts picking up back towards where we were just a few days ago, and we have seen that in the past happen as well. So in terms of getting excited right now, I think we still need to kind of wait a little bit. But if dominance starts pulling down a little bit further, especially below the 57%, then I think we could be actually looking at it from a completely different lens in terms of altcoin potentially running much more than what we have seen in the past. So is history really about to repeat itself? We'll see about that. I think we still need a little bit more confirmation about that. But let's take a look at what's happening with Jasmy, because of course a lot of people are here to see what's happening with Jasmy. So I'm sure everyone at this point that holds Jasmy knows that the yearly high was back in May at 4.3 cents, and still then, guys, until then we have been within this long consolidation phase, and we're still yet to break out. And what if I told you there's multiple different projects that are in the same phase? There's a lot of projects right now, believe it or not, that are still in their bear market cycle and have not left the consolidation phase. If Ethereum is about to break an all-time high, and if history were to repeat itself, I think this will be bullish for specifically these coins that are stuck in this consolidation. But let's look at it from a completely, closer time frame. So right now, what you're noticing is, of course, let's go back on November 5th price point. Since then, obviously, Jasmy did go up 75%, so it is following the market trend. But with that said, we did come and stop out at like a major resistance. And again, this major resistance obviously needs to break out in order for us to start retesting, June levels. And in terms of the 24-hour trading volume, we're not seeing as much what we saw earlier, obviously this year. And of course, a lot of people are going to forget, we were hearing some major developments coming out at that time, which is not the case right now. So of course, in terms of FOMO factor, it's completely different right now, but community is doing their thing, and obviously the community is still quite bullish. I don't hold any Jasmy, as you guys know, but I still, make these updates to kind of give you guys a little bit of an indication as to what's happening with the price. And you guys know I keep it 100% unbiased. That's the beauty of it, right? And as of now, of course, it's reacting to the specific market momentum. The volume is low, not a surprise. As of now, I think that organically changes, but it's extremely important for us to start heading towards these levels that we haven't seen since July, around the 3.3 cents. Obviously, we need to break the resistance around that 2.9 to 3 cents range, psychological level. Of course, if that is able to break, I think that could trigger an upward trajectory for Jasmy to start heading towards a yearly high. So, obviously pay very close to Ethereum as well. If Ethereum starts heading towards all-time highs, dominance continues to fall, I think this can have a huge huge positive fact on Jasmy's price to start heading towards the most important key resistance at the 5 cents, which we've been talking about on this channel. And I know I sound like a broken record, but that's where your eyes should be on. Forget about the other prices right now, the long-term prices, anything higher, baby steps, because that 5 cents is a double move from where we currently are. I do think Jasmy has the ability to retest that, but I don't want you guys to be focusing on any higher prices till you actually break out of that key resistance. That's an extremely key important resistance, because of course back in March we retested it, and of course this time around, back in March of 2022 we retested it, and as of now we still have not retested it since then. So it would be really important for us to obviously break out of the 3 cents, start heading towards that 3.3 cents key resistance, and we'll take it from there. But so far so good. I like the way it's holding over the course of the last few days, considering what has been happening for the broader market. So I'll give it that, but still one step at a time. Let me know down below what you guys think. What are you so excited about Jasmy as far as Jasmy is concerned? Let me know in the comments. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.